When I open XAMPP control panel, I'm able to run Apache. See, when I click start, it is running. But when I start MySQL, I'm receiving MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. So come, let us see the solution. First, open MySQL Community Installer. Now click on MySQL Server Reconfigure link. Select Standalone MySQL Server and click Next. Now locate your port number. If you have installed MySQL Workbench, open it and verify Workbench localhost port number. In my case, it is 3307. Now I'm going to change port number from 3306 to 3307 in MySQL Community Installer. Click Next. Again click Next. Provide the root password and click on Check button. Click Next. Again click Next. Now click Execute. Wait until configuration is applied. Once it is done, click Finish. Now in XAMPP control panel, let us again start MySQL and see whether the error is resolved or not. Boom! See, MySQL is running. Open any web browser and type localhost in search bar and hit enter. You will see welcome to XAMPP message. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.